if you want to change language in Samsung Frame TV, at first you have to go for the settings. Next you have to scroll down for the general. Scroll down one more time for system manager. And right now you have to pick language. So in this place you can find all available languages. And I would like to switch from English to Polish. And as you can see, after a few seconds, our language has changed. After that, you can just simply go back. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.